Let us understand the step-by-step process for adding daily or monthly attendance labor in Strategic ERP. Attendance can be recorded using two methods. One is through manual entry system and the other method is through PSSL integration, where sign in and sign out are captured automatically through biometric system. To record attendance manually, navigate to the daily attendance form under the labor management module. Select the card number. Data will be fetched from the master's form. Select the date and the attendance type. Fields such as project name, shift, night shift, name of company, labor name and labor email ID will auto-populate based on your selection. The data will be fetched from the other master's form. The night shift field will be marked true only if the night shift checkbox is enabled in the regular shift section under the shift master form. The location will be captured automatically at the time of sign in and sign out. Once entry is saved, the sign in and sign out times will be fetched automatically. To modify the attendance, select yes. You can update the actual sign in and sign out time manually. Add any necessary remarks and enter the sign out date. Working hours will be calculated based on the night shift attendance selection under the shift master form. Once the modification entry is submitted, it should be sent to the respective HOD for approval. In the monthly attendance form, supervisors can mark attendance on behalf of laborers daily, weekly, or monthly. Daily marking is not mandatory. Select the project name and name of the contractor. If selected as yes, enter the present days and odd hours. If selected as no, these fields will become read-only. Select the reporting supervisor name. Attendance details will auto-populate from daily attendance based on selected dates. Enter the start date and end date to view attendance on a monthly basis or daily basis. Add any remarks, if required. Save the data and follow the necessary steps for approval. The process of adding daily or monthly attendance is now complete.